Hey everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to make supplier payment in Xero. Okay, here we are going to discuss about the full payment. Okay, not partial and advance payment. As you can see, I have created total 5 bills. Okay, which are outstanding. So I'm going to make full payment of these 5 bills. So after creating of bank, you have to import a template. Okay, first of all you have to download the CSV template from Xero. Then after you have to fill from bank statement, as you can see. Okay, so remember one thing, in amount column, if you are making payment, okay, if it is debit side, then you have to mention in negative, and if it is on credit side or it's received, then you have to mention in positive amount. Now I'm going to simply select this file. Now next, so this is mapping and assign columns. Okay, generally you don't need to change this, okay, if you use Xero's CSV file. So this is transaction preview, and this is important option. Okay, don't import the first line because they are column headings. So in CSV, as you can see, first column is heading, so we don't want to import the first column, first row. Fine. So complete import, total 5 transactions are there. So this is our reconcile tab. Okay, now you can see the contents, which you can see on left side is bank and on the right side are bills. Okay, so this is 3 bill created on 21st September. Okay, as you can see here. So Xero provide the auto match facility. If bill amount and payment amount is same, then it will auto match the transaction. Now you need to just click OK. So what will happen? It will auto allocate the transactions, as well as it will auto reconcile the transactions. Okay, so let me show you in bank. Okay, reconcile 4 items because one has been successfully reconciled. As you can see, 3 payment, bank transaction source is imported. Fine. Now I'm going to reconcile all the remaining transactions one by one. Now let me refresh this. Reconcile it. So as you can see, the statement balance is on 20th October. So you can see all the 5 transactions has been successfully reconciled. Okay, so you can't find any transaction pending in the reconcile tab. Suppose if you want to unreconcile any transaction from here, okay, after reconciliation, if you want to unreconcile, then you have to click here. Then it will again appear in reconcile tab. As you can see, you can do it again, reconcile from here. And suppose if you want to remove the transaction, you want to delete the transaction, then you have to click here. Okay, and click on remove and redo. So first of all, you have to unreconcile transaction, then you have to do remove and redo, and third step is in bank, come into the bank statements, just select the transaction and click on delete. So these are 3 steps you have to follow. First of all, unreconcile transaction, then remove and redo, then delete the transaction. Okay, so in this manner our transaction has been deleted. So this is the way by which we can make supplier payment. Okay, I'll make detailed video in future. So this is for today. Thanks for watching. Kindly like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.